Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare minced chicken with potatoes. So ingredients required to this recipe are minced chicken. I have taken 300 grams. I have cut 4 potatoes into small pieces. I have chopped 3 medium-sized onions, little coriander leaves. I have slitted green chilies. Here I have taken half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, pinch of sugar, little bit of red chili powder. This is black pepper powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt. We'll cook oil. I'm using mustard oil. You can use whatever oil is available. Apart from all these things, I'm going to use water for cooking. So now let's get started. First I'm going to fry these potatoes a bit. So here I have heated 3 tablespoons of oil. And I'm adding the onions. Potatoes, and I'm frying it. As you can see, our potatoes have become a little brownish in color, golden color. Now we'll take this out in a bowl. Reduce the flame and take it out. So we have taken out the fried potatoes. Now we are going to add the chopped onions. And we'll fry them till it turns golden brown. Along with the onions, we are going to add the green chilies also. We'll fry them till it becomes golden brown in color. Here our onions have turned a little brownish in color. Now I am going to add these spices. And add little water. And saute this for some time. We'll just let the masala get cooked. When it's cooked, it will leave the sides. Now our masala is ready. As you can see, it has started leaving the sides. So I'll add the minced chicken. And I will mix everything together and fry it for some time. Once it is mixed properly, add little water to it. Put everything together. Put it in medium flame and cover and cook for 5 minutes. As you remove the lid, the water is dried up and the color of the minced chicken has also changed. So we'll keep stirring it and frying it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now as you can see, our keema is almost cooked and it has changed its color. I'll add little water. as much gravy as you want. Cover the lid and let it come to boil. Now as you can see, our keema is boiling. We're going to add the fried potatoes to it. Give it a nice stir. Mix the potatoes evenly. Sprinkle little coriander leaves. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Here is our chicken and potato keema ready. We'll put off the flame now and we'll transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our chicken and potato keema ready. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get the updates of my new recipes. Please keep watching. See you soon. Bye.